If you are wanting to be a travel influencer or are seeking the essence of travel and adventure, you have to go to Iceland. Travel influencers keep going back to Iceland year and year again, but why? To see what all the fuss was about, my girlfriend and I rented a camper van last year and embarked on a 3-week-long journey exploring Iceland. With some of the most insane and indescribable landscapes, waterfalls and northern lights, this places us wanting to go back again. Like many others, my girlfriend and I eagerly searched for a place to travel after the borders reopened post-COVID. We ultimately made the decision to embark on a 36-hour flight across the globe to the Arctic Circle, determined to see for ourselves what all the hype was all about. Iceland has an average population of 3 people per kilometre across the whole country. To put that into perspective, Manhattan has a population of 28,000 people per kilometre. Lower Manhattan has a similar population as the whole of Iceland, but spread across just this area here. Exploring Iceland is fairly easy, as the entire country is essentially one big scenic route. Every turn you take on the road leads you to breathtaking landscapes that leave you speechless. Visiting the basalt columns are a bucket list landscape when adventuring this country. The unique formations of the rocks are created as a result of lava rapidly cooling from the exposure to the cool frosty air that covers Iceland. With some of the most beautiful and spectacular waterfalls in the world, it's no surprise that these landscapes are featured across the world in videos such as Justin Bieber's I'll Show You music video. With waterfalls that you can walk behind and feel the power of their presence, it's a must for everyone. Iceland has some of the most bizarre and amazing mountains I've ever seen. These peaks had me stopping at every turn to capture photos to look back on and memorize this unforgettable trip. And lastly, the unforgettable Northern Lights. After spending 3 weeks living in a camper van in sub-zero temperatures, I can confidently say I'll be back again.